The Snuggle Sac soft rib throw blanket uses dense microfiber yarn that feels exceptionally plush and gentle against the skin, while still holding up well to daily use. Its ribbed knit and ivory trimmed edge give the blanket a tailored, high-end look that works as easily on a living room couch as it does folded at the foot of a bed. The medium weight and breathable construction make it warm enough for chilly evenings without feeling heavy or stifling, so it is comfortable across multiple seasons. Because it is certified to meet strict textile safety standards and designed to resist shedding and static, it stays tidy and comfortable even with frequent snuggling. The blanket arrives neatly packaged for gifting, making it an easy present for housewarmings, holidays, or anyone who likes a cozy accent that also looks polished. Easy care instructions, including machine washing in cold water and gentle tumble drying, mean you can keep the throw fresh and fluffy without special treatment.